To hide apps on the Redmi Note 14s, all you simply have to do is first go for the security application. So let's find it here real quick in our app drawer. As we are here, we will have to scroll down, and here in the common features we will be able to find this function to hide apps. In case you cannot see it right here, it should be available in the toolbox, I believe, and in the privacy protection. So let's go in there, and here we can hide these applications. There is the list of all of these applications on our device which we can hide. So let's hide, I don't know, AliExpress application. And as you are trying to hide an application, here you have the instruction of how to find hidden apps. And to do this, you will have to spread two fingers apart on the home screen to view hidden apps. So now as we have this application hidden, let's take a look at the app drawer for this app. And it is not available right here, but as we go for the hidden applications, alright, here we have these hidden apps, and here is AliExpress application. So yeah, that is working, and that's how you can hide apps.